How to draw a cat for beginners, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our simple cat, let's begin by drawing a circle for the outline of the face towards the top center of the page. Next, we're going to want to draw a small shape for the nose that will look similar to an upside down, curvy triangular shape. This will be in the center of the circle. Nice! Next, let's go ahead and draw the outline of the eyes by making oval-like shapes on the left and right side of the nose. On the inside of each oval, I'm going to draw two small circles that are connected, which will be the pupils. I'm going to end up filling in one of these circles black, but I'm going to do two, just in case you would like to do two as well. Are you all done drawing the outline of your eye? If so, let's continue. For the next step, we're going to want to fill in the big blank space in between the pupil and the outline completely black. Great! Now let's go ahead and draw the second eye. Keep in mind that we want both of our eyes to be the same size. Similar to how we drew the pupil and filled in the inside of the eye black, we're going to want to do that same step right now. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Now once we're all done drawing the eyes, the next step will be to draw the mouth along with the whiskers of our cat. To make the cat, we're going to want to draw two simple curved lines that are attached to the bottom of the nose. Just like I previously mentioned, we're now going to draw the whiskers of our cat. Let's begin on the right hand side. We're going to want to make in total 3 whiskers. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way, we can continue to reach other YouTube artists just like yourself and continue to grow our drawing community. Nice! Now once we're all done drawing the whiskers on the right hand side, let's go ahead and do the same thing on the left hand side. Fantastic! Now we have all of the face detail completed for our cat. Let's go ahead and draw the ears on the top of the head. We're going to want to make 2 simple curved lines. Now, on the inside of each of those curved lines, we're going to want to draw a smaller additional curved line. This will help us make the inside of the ear. Next, we're going to draw the lower body of our cat. We're going to begin by drawing the 2 front legs. The 2 front legs that we draw will be directly below the head. Keep in mind that we're not going to be drawing the back legs of our cat, because it's going to appear as if our cat is facing us front ways, and that way we won't be seeing the back legs. Now to make the paws of our cat, we're going to want to draw 3 small curved lines to separate the toes. Now that we have those 2 front legs drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the outline of the body. We can go ahead and connect from the head down to the 2 legs that we just drew together. Now last but not least, before we color in our drawing today, let's go ahead and make the tail on the right hand side, or you can make it on the left if you would like. The right side is just my personal preference. This is how to draw a simple cat for beginners. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to give it a big like. Next, let's show you a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.